A microwave is a common kitchen machine. People use it to heat food quickly. It is easy to use. You just put the food inside, close the door, and press the button. In a few minutes, the food is hot and ready to eat. Microwaves are very helpful in the home. They save time, especially when you're busy. You can use them to make popcorn, warm soup, or cook frozen meals. Many students and workers use microwaves every day because they are fast and simple. It is important to use the microwave safely. Do not put metal things inside. Always use microwave-safe plates and cups. If you use it the right way, a microwave can help you a lot in your daily life.